Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today, you're stepping into the world of fast-paced profits with a powerful, easy-to-follow scalping strategy that executes on a 1-minute time frame. If you want a scalping method that's simple but extremely effective, this video is for you. Make sure to watch closely all the way to the end, because I'll be sharing essential tips on managing your risk, which is key for long-term success. Let's jump straight in. First things first, open your TradingView chart and set the time frame to 1 minute. This strategy is demonstrated on the EUR/USD Forex pair, but don't let that limit you. You can apply this technique to virtually any liquid market, whether Forex, crypto, or stocks. The critical aspect is liquidity and volume. You want markets that don't have big gaps or wide spreads, because scalping aims for small, controlled moves. Large price gaps or slippage can ruin your entry, stop loss, and profit targets. So always check your market conditions. Now, let's talk about the tools of our trade. We're going to use 3 indicators to catch these scalp trade opportunities: 2 Keltner channels and 1 ADX or average directional index. Don't worry if you're new to these indicators. I'll guide you step by step on how to set them up. First, add the ADX indicator to your chart. When you bring up ADX, adjust 2 key settings. Set the smoothing period to 12 and the length to 12 as well. Then, add a horizontal line at the 30 level on the ADX indicator. If it's not already there, go into the indicator's coordinate settings and set it manually. The 30 line is crucial because it helps us filter trades by market strength. Next, add not 1, but 2 Keltner channels. Both should have the length setting at 50. For the first Keltner channel, set the multiplier to 3.75. This will be the outer, wider band, so let's color it blue for easy identification. For the second Keltner channel, keep the length at 50, but set the multiplier to 2.75. Color this one red. This will be our inner band. These 2 bands combined set up a volatility-based zone where price extremes and potential reversals happen. Now that your chart setup is complete, it's time to dive into how to use this strategy effectively. This is a volatility scalping method, which means we're capitalizing on extreme price moves with the goal of catching quick reversals. Compared to trend-following strategies, this approach carries higher risk but offers very high reward potential when done correctly. Here's the core idea. Watch for when price pushes beyond the wider blue Keltner channel bands. This signals that price is reaching an extreme, overbought or oversold condition. But just because price reaches this level doesn't mean you instantly jump in. It's our job to filter false moves and identify the best entries. When price breaks above or below the blue bands, wait for it to turn back and fully close a candle inside the inner red Keltner channel. This candle close confirms that momentum is weakening and a reversal might be underway. To strengthen our signal, look at the ADX. It must be above 30 to confirm the market has enough strength for a volatile move. If ADX is below 30, it usually means the market is weak or choppy, so avoid trading at those times. Let's go over some examples. Imagine price surges above the upper blue band. After that, price turns down and closes a candle inside the red Keltner channel, but ADX is below 30. That's a no-trade scenario because the market lacks sufficient directional strength. However, if the same condition happens and ADX is above 30, you open a short position right as the next candle forms. Your stop loss goes slightly above the recent swing high or above the blue Keltner band, and your take profit is set for a reward 1.5 times your risk. This risk-to-reward ratio is crucial for staying profitable over many trades. On the flip side, when price dips below the lower blue band and then closes back inside the red channel with ADX above 30, open a long position at the next candle open. Place your stop loss just below the recent low or blue band, and again, target 1.5 times your risk for the profit. If ADX is below 30 or price fails to close inside red, skip the trade. Discipline is paramount. Remember, never rush to enter trades without seeing price close within the red Keltner channel and confirming ADX strength. Patience saves accounts in scalping. Now, let's talk risk management, perhaps the most overlooked aspect in scalping and trading overall. Because this is a volatility-based strategy, you're often entering trades against the market's momentum and betting on sharp reversals, which can be risky. If you don't protect your capital, a few bad trades in a row can wipe you out quickly. The golden rule here is the 1% rule. Never risk more than 1% of your trading capital on a single trade. This means if your stop loss is 10 pips wide, calculate your position size so that losing that 10 pips only costs you 1% of your account. If your stop is wider, reduce your position accordingly to maintain the 1% risk level. If you want the full details on position sizing and advanced risk management, check the link in the description. I have a dedicated guide that complements this scalping strategy perfectly. Also, accept that losses are part of the game. Even with high win rates, no strategy is flawless. The key difference between successful traders and losers is how they manage their losses and protect capital. To recap this strategy in a simple checklist before you trade it live, set up your chart with ADX, length/smoothing 12, and 2 Keltner channels, length 50 with multipliers 3.75 and 2.75. Watch for price to breach the blue bands, extreme level. Wait for candle close inside red Keltner channel. Confirm ADX above 30 for trade validity. Enter trade at next candle. Set stop loss above or below extreme swing or Keltner band. Target 1.5 risk reward. Never risk more than 1% per trade. Be patient and skip weak signals. By following these steps, you'll build a scalable, consistent scalp trading approach adaptable to various markets. Thank you for tuning in and taking this deep dive with me. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I share new strategies and live trading tips. Happy trading, and may your scalps be profitable!